I want to be real careful because we may have some viewers that thought, you know, Roland Ragu is passing judgment on the appearance of this park. And we did. Good morning.
Morning.
How are you, man?
Good.
Good to see you. I love you. You slept good?
Yep.
Not only did we survive the night, but it was a really good night. It was just as quiet as could be. Didn't see anybody stirring. We're going to stay here a second night. Full utilities, $31. We want to go see Colorado National Monument today. Oh yes, and my glasses. Do you see my tapes? This is my buddy Corey, who you're going to meet real soon, but he's got lots of important things to say. We're going to drive. I think there's like a 25-minute driving tour. I've been looking up some Jeep trails, and there's one called Bangs Canyon here in town. I got this neat little app called Gaia, which many of you may be familiar with. Let's see, there we go. And on Gaia, I have today's Jeep trail already in place, and so it works without a cell signal, which is really a plus when you are out on Jeep trails, because rarely do you have a signal. Oh, my glasses. Cindy managed to tape them back together. Showers are phenomenal with full hookups. Boy, I took one this morning and it was so nice. I let it run just like at the house. In fact, the shower in this motorhome I like better than our home shower. So I took a nice long shower, and I'm gonna take another nice long one when we get home tonight. I'm gonna drive you through the campground here, so take a look at.
I saw little families, cute little girls. They went to the laundry and were dragging the clean clothes from the laundry to their house.
If you're used to camping in state parks,
well, there's a dump,
national parks and stuff like that, then this is different. All right, boys, let's take care of that trash.
One of these people has a food truck.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
The entry to the National Monument is
turn left at the traffic light.
a little strange. It's like, is this monument in a neighborhood? And there are a couple of entrances. We might be going to the wrong entrance. I don't know.
Are you wearing his hat?
All of my hats have become Owen hats.
Because I don't feel like brushing my hair.
Bald jokes. Those are the cheapest, easiest jokes to go for.
Yep.
In 1/2 mile, arrive at Colorado National Monument Southeast entrance on the left.
Entrance. Let's go to the entrance.
Good morning. How are you?
Very good.
Sharp curves and steep grades next 4 miles.
Yeah, it's the drive itself. Is this what she said?
Yeah, Devil's Kitchen, but I could see it right up there.
Okay.
And I think it just overlooks the valley.
Well, pretty so far. Wow, look how pretty. I mean, this is as pretty as Capitol Reef or Arches.
Yeah. Except there's only one road going through it. And there's no arches.
We are at the Red Canyon Overlook. What's up?
Nothing.
What'd you see?
Canyons.
Wow.
Oh no, you step away.
Okay, folks, Roland Ragu does still hike. Here's proof. Hiking.
raw in the summer and sun-dried for later use. These small berries could be made into cakes and or added to mushes and stews.
Prickly pear cactus. That's what that is. Indian rice grass.
And where is it?
I think it's these little grasses that we see right here.
I think this leads to an overlook.
I miss the days when all of this was new. You know, the rocks would amaze you, the every little thing, and not that we aren't amazed.
I'm still amazed.
Baby, I'm amazed at the way you.
Copyright.
That was less than 5 seconds. Well, I'm amazed too. I'm not trying to say that. I'm just saying that newness thing. The first few times we saw red rock formations.
Next up is the highest point on this drive, and it's 6,640 feet. Up next is it's the Upper Ute Canyon Overlook. No, wait, hold on. First is Fallen Rock Overlook.
Oh. Fallen Rock.
Which is going to be in a ways. Canyon Overlook, which is not very far ahead.
Oh, okay.
So what we're walking down to is, this is called Monument Canyon, and we see a door and a tunnel down in the cliffside. Cindy discovered that this plant that's up above her to the right here is called Mormon's tea.
To that one?
No.
Okay.
Colorado National Monument compares pretty favorably to the big parks. to Arches, Canyonlands. A little different flavor, but really all the grandeur of the big parks. And maybe it's because of COVID, I don't know, but the crowds seem to be far smaller. You can make a genuine visit to this park if you were interested in hiking and exploring more. It could be a several-day park, I think.
You can make it, Dad. First full trail.
Oh my goodness. Did you come to the edge?
Yeah.
How do you know the rock's not gonna fall over?
Hey Dad.
Huh.
See that down there?
Yeah.
Wanna go hike it?
No.
I am at the bottom of the visitor center. There's a 0.5 mile hike as well as a mile hike to go see Window Rock. I'm not going to do that today, unfortunately.
And I'll get the rest of the things. Raise your right hand. As a junior ranger,
As a junior ranger,
I promise to protect
I promise to protect
Colorado National Monument,
Colorado National Monument,
all its plants,
all its plants,
all its animals,
all its animals,
and all its rocks. Yeah, we have 2 new junior rangers.
So what happened was, and I don't think I got it on video, was there was a big black truck that decided to try to pass a biker going uphill in a curve, and he was in our lane. Then we had 2 bikers behind us, which I was videoing at that time. He slams on his brakes, and I could hear him screaming, whoa, 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 whoa. It's like, well, if you wouldn't have been on our behinds.
No, it was like a joyful scream. Like they wanted the...
We just came across a surprise. This place is...
Possible. Make a U-turn, then take the first right.
She doesn't like surprises.
She doesn't.
Oh.
She's very particular.
I saw a sign here called Dinosaur Hill. Don't know what it is.
We're gonna go find out though.
Apparently around 1900 there was a famous discovery here of a large dinosaur skeleton that was excavated out of here and has been on display at a museum in Chicago. Oh, that's a hill.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna do it.
Y'all can go, boys.
You going?
Take a water.
I wanna go too.
Look guys, we found footprints. Don't know if they're ancient though. Maybe they are. Look guys, ancient feces. Maybe they're from the same animal. Oh well, at least we have a good view from here. This is an ancient bench built by the first civilization of cavemen. Can't believe it's still up. Well folks, don't think we saw any dinosaur footprints, but I can tell you these hills look pretty nice. Okay folks, so we didn't see any, excuse me. Okay folks, so we didn't really see anything. There were no dinosaur footprints, no dinosaur bones.
The sign saying this is where it was.
Yep.
Taken away in 1903.
I definitely don't recommend doing this hike because it's all uphill.
To get to the other side.
Yeah, to get to the other side, then it's downhill. But anyways, don't do it. Don't. Okay. One thing about this trail. There's trash everywhere. Or there was trash places. And there was also dog poop everywhere. And if you're the kind of person that Leaves your dog poop on the trail. Why? Just why? I'm not sure if we made it to the actual place knotter yet. This could be it. See what the sign says. Okay, pretty sure you can see it now. But the sign said we can actually climb up here to get up to the mold, and that someone had stolen it a while ago. But anyways, here it is. Right here.
Right there.
It's pretty big.
Yeah.